Hello, hi. Welcome back to lecture week 2. As we learned last week about the history of IR 4.0 and a basic introduction of Internet of Things or IoT as it known. So let's begin with the part 2 of Internet of Things.
Many discussions about IoT start with the topic of sensors. A lot of sensors already exist that are capable of measuring temperatures and acceleration, allocating the GPS position, or identifying a whole host of other physical conditions. For a while already, we have had sensors like this in our private or business environment. Let's think about our smartphone or wearables such as smartwatches or other devices. Our cars also have a lot of sensors that collect data. The power consumption in our house might already be measured by a smart meter, and some of us already have a home automation of lights or heaters in place. In the business environment, we might see working machines, specific vehicles, or other things that already include sensors. For example, of these are machines in the production environment or vehicles such as a forklift truck or trucks that transport materials from A to B. Many of these sensors are connected by a gateway functionality to at least an internet network or even to the internet, hence providing data to specific data storage. As more and more sensors will follow to connect more devices, machines, and we can expect this data storage to become larger over time. We also predict that about 35 billion connected things in the year of 2020. Besides the sensors, the network and the data storage, another topic is of the interest is the actors. An actor performs an action such as switching and regulating a machine or opening evolve. But how do these actors know when to do what? In fact, another interesting part comes into play here: the IoT-related applications. Generally speaking, these applications help us to monitor, to analyze, and also to act. The monitoring helps us to understand the current condition of sensors and actors, ultimately the devices. The analysis of the data can help us to find interesting patterns or even to make predictions such as the ideal time for a machine to be given its next service. Finally, the act functionality helps us to react to the monitor and analyze data. Maybe this is the place where a human will act. However, in many cases, it will remain that a specific actor will act accordingly to predefined rules and regulations. To sum up, we can say that the Internet of Things is a network of sensors and actors that are implemented into devices, machines, and so on. All of these things are monitored, analyzed, and controlled by IoT-related applications, which are powered by data storage, that data processing capabilities, and a gateway that collects the output data from all the relevant things in the network.
So that's the idea of IoT. Do you realize that in previous video, you heard a lot of terms of IoT gateways? What is an IoT gateway and what does it do? So, to have a better idea and understanding of IoT gateway, please watch the next video.